Alright, right about now, the show is new. It's Felele, and of course, your Uncle Man still ringing. Ojola Daniel remains my name. I've got Blago with me right here.
Ogunchino Ayodeji Samuel.
And together we bring you sports update.
Malofunde Ketumaka Sport Newspaper.
Neymar had to leave from under Messi's shadows.
Neymar sọ fún Aunty Messi pé òun like bó ṣe ń lo high shadow.
No. Like Messi was outshining him. He had to leave, not high shadow.
The rate táwọn girls fi ń lo high shadow ń kò dáa. A máa ń fa ẹni àbí náà.
We'll bring you details shortly.
Ẹ jẹ́ tá mọ kété òdi ẹ̀.
Dani Alves says that Neymar had to free himself from under Messi's shadows.
But Dani àti Neymar lágbọ́n pé lọ́wọ́ vest àwọn tó ń ta high shadow.
Are they gay? Why would they be doing that?
No, wọ́n ṣe advert ni.
He claims that Neymar is a global phenomenon.
Neymar tún wá pé òun lè máa ń jẹ local watermelon.
No, phenomenon.
Botanical ni watermelon ni.
Saying that he is also a superstar in his own right.
Ó jẹ́ fún wa pé bóun ṣe ń mu star yìí pé it's not right.
Yeah?
It's not good. Ó máa yó.
Anyway, that's the news. Thanks for staying with us.
Tó bá wùn yín kẹ́ má gbọ́.
Alright, yes, and welcome back. This is the leg over segment. On the leg over segment today is very, very simple.
Very simple.
You know that Nigeria Super Eagles will be going for the World Cup in Russia very, very soon.
I will rush wọn lọ síbẹ̀ in no time.
Yes, exactly. And Black Gold is telling me something because he's also a coach. He has a coaching
skills and credentials.
I wanted to say you have a coaching license. Do you have a coaching license?
Why I can't do here if I don't get that?
Alright, he says he has a coaching license.
He says, I have it.
You are claiming it, but I have not confirmed it.
Why will I bring my credentials to you? Do you want to help me?
I can help you.
Now imagine who I come to grant his interview because he need help.
Oh,
you want to interview
celebrities. They are my audience. I'm going to ask them. You understand?
But they are my own fans.
Anyway, he claims he has a coaching license. And number two, I know that he has coached Okitipupa FC.
Thank you.
Although they did not come out of relegation. So I don't know how he wants to help the Super Eagles. But now he's claiming that he can take the Super Eagles to Russia. How is that possible?
My people, you see, everybody has his own manifesto. Please just give me a chance. Give me a chance. You see, every coaching...
But wait. Let me tell you, Genotro cannot leave that position for you.
No time that he will not remove on there now.
Who wants to remove him? Somebody that helped to qualify Super Eagles for the World Cup.
And so what? Many people that have helped Super Eagles to qualify, did they take them to the World Cup? That's all.
Genotro is improving every day. He has prospect. He can take us to the semi-final.
My brother, no be who fails this police station 9 day win case. Now who drop money? I don't know your problem. Let me tell you something. If you will not give me chance now, I don't know how Super Eagles will reach that destination.
Where do you want to take Super Eagles to?
I'm taking them to the permanent side. You see, these boys.
No. There is no permanent side in World Cup. We have the group stage, we have the knockout stage, the quarter-final, the semi-final, and the final. Where do you want to take Super Eagles?
I'm taking them to the knockout stage. You see?
That's knockout stage. After the group stage, I'm a journey here.
The knockout I'm talking about is Banga knockout.
Banga.
They will celebrate that they qualified to second round. That's what I'm saying.
So after second round, we are coming back home?
No. I'm not saying you come back. It depends on their fate. You see, I'll try my best. Everything
is there faith in football?
There's faith in football. It depends on how you
tell me, how are you going to, what is your lineup going to be like?
Okay, Mikel Obi, I called him.
Wait. Let us take this in tactically. From the goalkeeper, who will be in goal for us?
Goalkeeper, I'm looking at Ikechukwu because yes, I have belief in him.
He is a great grandfather now.
It doesn't matter. The skills is still in him.
In left back, who is going to be in left back?
I'm looking at this thing. What's this boy's name? Kiloko boy. What is this guy's name? This guy.
I don't know who you are trying to say.
Taibo West. Cool down.
Wait. Why are you bringing people from the past?
It's because, let me tell you, if this country can tell you that people that are dead can still rule this country, that they are submitting lists of people that are dead. Let's tell you
that was an error from the White House.
It's not an error. There are people that are there now. Even they are still alive, but they are not doing it right. But even if dead people can take over them, they will do it right.
The people that you are mentioning now, you mentioned Ikechukwu, they are not dead. They are old and they've retired.
That's what I'm saying. The experience they have is still in them,
but they don't have pace anymore.
Forget the toothpaste. I'll give them toothbrush. They'll put the toothpaste. But what me I'm telling you is how those guys will take.
What will be your formation?
That's it. 4-4-2. 4-4-2.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
So who is going to strike for us?
I'm putting this thing. This guy. What this guy? Kedia.
Jesus.
Cool down. Don't nothing concern Jesus.
You have lost your manifesto.
What can you lose my manifesto? This is what we're talking about.
The people cannot vote. You cannot even enter there.
That is because they don't have faith in those guys. See, those guys that have done it before, they can still do it again. Give them chance. Then see, let me tell you, change is the only constant thing. Give people that has that zeal.
We have the life of Ahmed Musa. You don't even mention Musa. You don't mention.
What experience do they have? I'm talking about legend. But legend. People
Legend, come.
You see,
My friend, I told you to present your credentials to the people. Let us know whether we can even consider. But
wait.
We can't consider you for us.
Wait. Do you think I come to your interview because I want your fans to help me? You don't need that. See, let me tell you, you vote or you do not vote. We know Buhari will come back again. What's wrong with you? Look at this one. You don't need to vote. We are
talking sport. We're not talking politics.
It's the same thing. Either you vote me or you don't vote me. will go away and I will enter. So don't forget all these.
I'm not sure you can lead your family to knockout stage. Talk less of Super Eagles.
If I can settle, make peace between my two wives at home, then who can't I settle in this world? Who can't I settle? Ìyàwó mẹ́ta ni mo fẹ́, and I manage them perfectly. I told them, tẹ́ bá ti jà, wait, make the three of you to fight in my house. I'll pursue you and bring another new one. All right.
You have failed your manifesto, and then we are sorry on behalf of the NFF and the Glass House. You are not fit to join the squad that
Please,
will be going.
Don't bring the animality in me. I'll break the glass house. My glass house. I'll break glass. Mama, the glass house. What's wrong with you? Why will you tell me on behalf of glass house?
Wait, we are not yet in NFF. We are in the studio here.
That's what I'm telling you. I'll scatter it. This is what happened in House of Assembly, that they will be throwing chair because one person will be tackling one person.
All right, this is how we come to the end of the show.
We will not come to the end of the show. Please, the glass house, if you are not careful, don't tamper with me.
Oh yeah, show don't finish. We don't go out. Maybe you want to spoil it. Spoil it.
You will not calm down. Let me use my experience to run this country. This is what we have. You have problem with this country. You have problem, and you will not go far like this. You will not go far.